Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again and thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are watching this video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. It won't take you a second. Please just click on that subscribe button now. It will actually encourage me a lot to make more videos for you guys, and also you can give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. It might help someone. Thank you so much as you do that. So today I'm going to show you how you can claim your open ocean finance airdrop. Like if you have traded on open ocean recently, maybe a minimum trade of $40 or $50 on open ocean finance platform, you can actually claim a airdrop. Like there was a particular airdrop that was given to user of the platform recently. So um, right now you can go to that uh, to the open ocean finance page and then claim your airdrop. So I'm going to show you how we are going to claim that now. um, just so you know, you will need a BNB, like BNB worth of maybe maximum of $0.3 to claim these airdrops. You understand? So I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So let me go straight to the point. I will paste the link in the description uh, below so that you can copy it and use it also. So when you open your Trust wallet, just go to your dApps. Then when you have a page like this, copy the link that I pasted in the description box and paste it here, or you can type it as m.openocean.finance. Then you load it and you change this Ethereum icon, you change it to smart chain. So I'll wait for it to load. So I have the page now. When you're on this page, all you have to do is just go to where this your address is, this place here. You go to that place, you click on the your wallet address, then you click on claim. So it will actually bring the amount that was given to you. Some people got airdrops during round one, some people got during round two. So for me, I got during round two. So I'm going to click on claim button, then to lead me to where I will pay the transaction charges. Right now the transaction charges is 0.23. So I'll click on approve and I'll approve it. So I'll wait for it to finish the approval. I'll wait for it to finish the approval. Immediately it approves it, I will know. Okay, you can reload your page after you have claimed. Just try and reload the page. It will bring it. So I'll wait. You can see here, you can see that my balance is showing here, which is 52.6. So I can actually check the value. The value is $15. So if you have more than this, that is 52.6 of open ocean finance airdrop. So if you have more than this, you can actually have more money, and this is something that is very free. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and give it a like. Thank you and God bless you. See you again.